Okay, we have the front piece from an SOT soft top, which is the Sky One Touch Power Top. If you have one of these, the soft top in it, and your front pieces come off, which happens on rare occasion, we're going to show you how to replace the tape on this so you can re-put it on. So you're going to get it, it's going to look just like this. It's the piece of plastic with Velcro and this tape on it. This tape, there's a trick to pulling it off. If you try to pull it straight back usually, it'll break, like it's doing now. But if you get it and you pull it at a 45-degree angle, it pulls right off. So don't pull straight back, it wants to break that way. For some reason it's designed. Okay, so once you get the tape off, wad it up, should leave no real residue. What you do is you take some alcohol, denatured alcohol, rubbing alcohol, as long as it's just clean alcohol, a little bit on a rag, clean it, let it dry, should dry immediately. We're going to send you a little roll of tape like this and a roller. You're going to need a pair of scissors. So you're going to take this tape, start a little bit of it. It's kind of, hold this down with one hand, get it started, hold it right here, and then you can line it right down the center of this thing. I got a decent amount of practice at that, so might be a little harder. Stick it down like that, take this roller, roll it down, and you got a nice brand new front piece. Now, you should have got one of these, an adhesion promoter we told you to use in the back of your Sky One Touch Power Top to put this piece on the back. The front we didn't use that because it stuck so good when we used this that it pulled a little piece of paint off of mine. I haven't had any problem with it. Hardly anyone's having any problem, but some people are. If you want to use this, you can. It's going to make it stick a little better. All you need to really do to put this on is get it hot. Sit it in the sun, put it in front of your heaters. Don't pull the film off first. Just get it warm. It'll soften this tape up, then peel this off, put it in place, and when you push right here firmly, hold for 1 or 2 beats, move over, push firmly 1 or 2 beats in each section, and you shouldn't have any problem with it staying.